Hello everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this new video lecture we discuss about the point formal charge. Formal charge is our topic right now. Formal charge actually is the difference of electrons from the free atom, valence shell of free atom, and the number of electrons that are assigned in bonding in the Lewis structure. I am discussing these points clearly. So at first we have to understand why we consider to calculate formal charge. We need to we need the calculation of formal charge for various purposes. Okay, to explain some points we need formal charge. For some purposes we need formal charge concepts, and for ions or molecules the whole charge is present is on the whole ion, on the whole as a whole. For example, if we take about SO4 2 minus, this charge is present, SO4 2 minus charge is as a whole, but we cannot understand the what is the charge on sulfur, what is the charge on oxygen. But some cases we need to know the charges that are present on each atom of an ion, and for that cases we need to calculate the formal charge on each atom in an ion or molecule. So in an ion or molecule, suppose SOCl2 molecule, we are taking SOCl2 molecule. Here S, O, Cl and Cl. This is the Lewis dot structure of SOCl2 molecule. Okay, here chlorine is completing 8, sulfur is completing 8, this chlorine is completing also 8 electrons, and oxygen also have 8 electrons. So for SOCl2 molecule, if we want to calculate the formal charge on each atom, our formal charge calculation formula is formal charge equal to the valence electron in free atom, minus number of non-bonded electrons, and minus half of bonded electrons. So this is our formula for calculation of the formal charge. For formal charge calculation we use the formula that valence electron present in free atom minus number of non-bonded electrons, that means number of lone pair of electrons. These electrons are called non-bonded electron, number of non-bonded electrons minus half of bonded electrons. Bonded electron means these electrons. The electrons that are forming bond is called bonded electron. So bonded electron means this one. So if we want to calculate the formal charge on this atom, what will we do? For chlorine atom, when it is in free state, its valence electron is 7 minus its number of non-bonded electron. Here see the non-bonded electrons are 6. 2, 2, 2, 6. Number of non-bonded electron 6 minus half of total number of bonded electron. Bonded electron means this one. Here one bond means 2 electron. So half into 2. So total charge is 6 minus 1. So that means 7 minus 7 equal to 0. So the formal charge on chlorine, for this chlorine, is 0. So in this way formal charge is calculated. You can calculate the formal charge for this chlorine also will be the same charge. For the right hand chlorine the charge is same, and for oxygen if we want to calculate the formal charge for this oxygen atom, what we would do, at first we have to write the number of valence electron for oxygen, and number of valence electron in free oxygen atom is 6, minus half of the minus the number of non-bonded electron, that is the 6 number of non-bonded electron, and minus half of the bonded electrons. Bonded electron means this one one bond is present, so bonded electron is 2 only, and formal charge is 6 minus 1, so minus 1 is the formal charge that is present in this oxygen atom. So in this way we can calculate the formal charge of an atom in a molecule or ion. In this molecule we can calculate the formal charge on sulfur, chlorine, oxygen. For these types of atoms that are present, we can calculate easily the formal charge that is present on the atom. Suppose we calculate the formal charge on sulfur here. This is the structure. This is the Lewis dot structure of SOCl2. This is the structure of SOCl2. So right now we have to calculate the formal charge that is present on sulfur. So sulfur formal charge equal to, for sulfur valence electron is 6 and minus number of non-bonded electron pair, that is 2, non-bonded electrons that is 2, and number of bonded electron 1, 2, 3, 3 bonds means half into 6 electrons are present, 2 here, 2 here and 2 here, so total 6. So the result is 6 minus 2 minus 3, so that is 6 minus 5 means plus 1. So the formal charge for this sulfur is plus 1. Plus 1 is the formal charge for the sulfur atom in this molecule. So in this way we can calculate the formal charge on different atoms that are present in a molecule or in an ion. Okay, we take another example for seeing that how can we calculate the formal charge on each atom in a molecule. And you understand that what is the formula of formal charge? Formal charge is the difference of the number of electrons that is present in the free electron, free atom or isolated atom, and minus the number of electrons that is present in the Lewis structure, in the Lewis dot structure. Okay, number of electron that is present in the Lewis dot structure and number of electron that is present in free atom. If we make the difference of these two factors, then we get the number is called formal charge. And now we calculate the formal charge for ozone molecule. This is the Lewis dot structure of O3. Here 2 4 and 4 8, 3 into 2 6 and plus 2 7 8 and here 8. So for each oxygen atom we can calculate the formal charge. For this oxygen atom we can calculate formal charge, for this oxygen, and for this oxygen atom we can calculate the formal charge. Suppose we are calculating the formal charge on a oxygen atom, OA FC, formal charge equal to what will for this case the number of valence electron that is present in free oxygen atom is 6 and minus number of non-bonded electron pairs, electrons not electron pairs, number of non-bonded electrons are 4 minus half of the number of bonded electron, that is 2 plus 2 4. So the overall result is minus 2, so 6 minus 6, that is 0. So 0 is the formal charge for this oxygen atom A. Okay, so similarly you can calculate the formal charge for this oxygen atom. For OB we are calculating formal charge on it. Oxygen atom when in free state, its number of valence electron is 6 minus number of non-bonded electrons that are present here, total 6, and minus half of total number of bonded electron, that is 2. So this one cancel, here is only minus 1. So minus 1 is the formal charge or that is present in this oxygen atom, minus 1. Similarly you can calculate for this oxygen atom Fc equal to number of valence electron is 6 and number of lone pair of electrons, that is 2, and number of bond pair of electron 1 2 3. So that means half into 6, because 6 bonds are 3 bonds are present and total 6 electrons are present in bonded in bonds. So therefore 1 2 3 6 electrons, and 6 minus 2, and here it is 3, so it is plus 1. Plus 1 is the formal charge for this oxygen atom. So in this way we can calculate the formal charge in the Lewis dot structure. It is Lewis dot structure, Lewis structure. From the Lewis structure of molecule and ions, we can calculate the formal charge that is present on each atom in the molecule or ion. So this is the discussion, and it is completed. So don't be confused to ask me any question in the comment section. You can ask me question, your doubt, and also comment that which topic do you like to watch, which topic do you have any problem. Okay, I would make the video on that topic. Thank you.